Okay, sent you a message back to you on Teams. Regards the email I sent you last week. Here's an important question, but yeah, plan for August. Plan for August. Let me know what you think after you read that question on Teams. So, man, I was not expecting this many chords. So, very good, very good. I just briefly looked at it, but let's just start going through it here. Yeah, I really want to know your thought process on doing this too, because definitely a ton of stuff here, which is great. So, yeah, that's definitely. Oops, there's my sound. All definite versions of a C major chord. When you do this, make sure that it's playable though. So like this one right here, unless you use your thumb, you can't play that. So I guess you could do it this way. So if that was your intention, fair enough. A lot of people don't like doing that though. One thing it seems like is missing is your basic C major chord. Probably should have started with that. 'Cause I don't see that one on here. Maybe it's a little bit later on. But yep, that's good. That's good. Yes. Yes. Inversion. Yep. Ooh, oh, there we go. That's a pretty cool sounding one. And if you use Guitar Pro's auto chord, like it automatically filled it in, looks like you got some good verification on everything immediately, so that's good. Ugh. So right here, yeah, that one, that is not a C major. Like it even says it in the chord right there. That's a C5, because all you have here is a C note. That's another C note, and then the G. So you're missing the E note. If you had done, let's say, this, C, G, and E, that would have worked. So careful, you don't want to do any fifth chords. Looks like you got another fifth chord coming up here. Yeah, you definitely went all out, so you'd have to mute those. Oh God, that was wrong. Oh, I see. So yeah, you can mute the A string like that. And just that. Scroll through some more here. Okay, so we're here. You have a E5 sharp 5. So anytime that happens in Guitar Pro, you only have 2 notes being used, not 3. So that one is one of the few chords that is not what we want. So you got 7, 10, and 12. However, let's see, you got an E, a C, and a G. Oh, wait a minute, that's a C5 or a C major. That's a C major over E. Yeah, that's your C note. That's your E. That's your G. I wonder if you put in the chord name first, and maybe you just had this Guitar Pro entered it in with that name, and then you added the 12th fret on the G string. Maybe that's what happened. So it looks like that's what happened. Yeah, because like right below it here, that is not the right name. I don't know if Guitar Pro put it. Let me see what happens. Let's delete that. Wow, Guitar Pro's giving it the wrong. Oh no, 12, 15, 14. Okay, that one does make sense, because yeah, that is only 2 notes. Yeah, so that's just an E and a C. So that one is an E5 sharp 5. So that one is a mistake. So just careful of those things. But it seems like you understand, like for the most part, you definitely understand what to do here. Because goodness gracious, although the most common one you left out. I would have started with that. So tell you what, let's simplify this process so it's less crazy. But it is good. I do want to hear your thoughts on how this assignment went. But let's put a cap on it. Let's do 10 variations max. You definitely want to have the most common ones in there. So like, you know, an A minor, just a regular old A minor, you want that in. You want the D minor, regular one. So basically you did a ton for C, so let's do 10 variations of D minor, 10 variations of E minor, 10 variations of F, 10 variations of G, 10 variations of A minor, and 10 variations of B diminished. Try that, especially relying heavily on shapes you and I have already worked with. So that way it's a better review too. Okay, so things sounded good in the performance you made. Let's get to playing the new material. So we're really getting into the 4/3 polyrhythm here. And drums are different for numbers 1 and 2. Number 1, lots of double kick. Number 2, the drums, I want to say, it's less busy, so hopefully you hear the polyrhythm a bit more. Hopefully it stands out more. But I'm going to keep using just the metronome here so you can hear how that sounds with just the click. So number 1 here, we have basically the same notes are done twice. First, we pick everything 3 times before we change notes, and then when we get to the say the polyrhythm bar, each note is going to ring out the length of the 3 picks, so the 3/16 notes. So keep those ghost drums going best you can. Now, as things get going really fast, you can play this 4/3 polymeter with all downstrokes, but you really want to make sure you are locked into that beat and you know the rhythm really well. Now, following Guitar Pro, that's going to make it a lot easier. If you were to just do the metronome, it makes it much more difficult doing all downstrokes. But it is a possibility for the polyrhythm bar. So yeah, it's written out 2 different ways. So here you can more easily see where within the beat everything lines up. And here, you just got to know you're spacing everything evenly. Those 4 notes cross 3 beats, which happens to mean everything will be 3/16 notes long. It's almost a tongue twister. It sounds like I have a lisp. 3/16 notes long. Anyway, let's get into it. Starting at 60. Or do I have a start at 60? Yeah, start at 60. You can start at 50 too. 50 as well. But here we go. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 Oh my goodness, I missed the string. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 1. Alright, go to 90. 1, 2, 3. locked in to where the foot tapping is happening to space those things out evenly. So like, I'm doing this. 1, 2, and 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 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and. So counting when the foot's tapping. So you got 1, 2. So tapping on the 2. 1, 2, and. So that's cut. You hit that third note when your foot's coming up for the and of 2, 1, 2, and 3. So right after you tap your foot for the downbeat of 3, you got to pick again. So it comes in together, and then pick strum or pick tap. So right after you pick the second time, you tap right afterwards. So tap, both, pick tap, both, pick tap. And then in the middle of the second and third beat, you got that third note. 2 and, so 1, 2 and then right after the third foot tap, you pick again. 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and 1. So you can do it like that. You can still ghost strum it as well. Alright, let's try the whole thing. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Bad notes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Goodness. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Fuck, wrong note. Damn it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Getting it this time. I'm getting it this time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. God damn. All right, number 2. Everything's a polyrhythm. All right. Here we go. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 1, 2 and 1, 2 and 3 and 1. Good Lord. Full of mistakes today. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 1, 2 and 3 and 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 done. Alright, 90. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 1. $120. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 and a 1. Alright, going for 150. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So much better doing the ghost drums. All right, so a reminder on the chords. Definitely include shapes that you and I have worked on so far or already. It's a good basis to start with. And then just do 10 variations of the remaining chords. So that would be the D minor. We're talking about being in the key of C. So D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, and B diminished. And you can even take the C chords you already have and just strip it down, simplify it to your 10 favorite, including the most common one. So like that one would be good. That one would be good because they're very common. And then, actually, you might run out of room really fast just going through all those too. But, yeah, let's try that. We'll simplify. Just try to go with 10 variations of each. And then let me know what you think after reading the question I left for you on Teams. All right, any questions come up, let me know, and I will see you again in 2 weeks.